Good morning, dear students. Today I'll be explaining the lesson from Vistas, The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. Okay, now the theme line that runs across this particular lesson is human fellow feeling against national loyalty. Now let us see, there's a very beautiful story that we'll be reading today that had taken place in Japan. Now let's see what is it. Now this story has taken place at the time of the World War when an American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and thrown into the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. Now, should he be saved by the doctor, or the doctor would hand him over to the army as a patriot? Let us see now what happened. Now, in this, the particular doctor is Dr. Sadao Hoki and his wife Hana. Now, one evening, both of them are standing at in the front of their home and looking towards the sea. Okay. So at that time, Dr. Sadao, he found a figure emerging out of the sea, and that figure walked few steps and fell on the ground. Okay. Both husband and wife, they rushed towards the fallen figure, and what they found, that he was wearing a cap that had print uh, American Navy on it. Okay. Initially, they thought that he was a fisherman, but when they saw his cap and when they saw his tattered clothes, they found out that he is an American and a prisoner of war. Okay. Now, what to do? Both were in dilemma and couldn't decide what to do with the American soldier, whether to save his life or whether to throw him back again into the sea. Okay, instinctively, because he was a doctor, he was driven to save the life of this particular dead man, and both and the couple carried him to their home, into Dr. Sadao's father's room. Now, here we find one thing, that Dr. Sadao's father was a pure Japanese, and his room was decorated in a Japanese manner without any Western furniture. Now, this time, Dr. Sadao operated the American soldier, and Hana assisted him by giving the American anesthesia. The American prisoner of war was operated successfully. Bullet was taken out which was stuck near his kidney. And Dr. Sadao immediately could know that this American man will live despite of the injury he had. The second step was, because he was a doctor in the army, it was his duty to inform to the general. So he went to the general and told him that he had saved the life of an American soldier, and the soldier is still in his house, and now what to do with him. General was also in dilemma, because Dr. General was having some medical problem, and anytime he could need Dr. Sadao's help. According to his belief, Dr. Sadao was trained in America, so he could believe Dr. Sadao. But the other doctors, other surgeons were trained in Germany, and at that time, Germany was famous for its brutality. So the general also wanted to save Dr. Sadao. So he said that I'll send my private assassins to your home, and they will kill the American. And if you want, they will remove his dead body also, so that your wife and children are not petrified. Dr. Sadao came home relaxed. After some days, his servants, his cook, gardener, and nanny Yumi, three of them left the work, because they were, according to them, their belief, because Dr. Sadao and Hana were educated in America, it is why they hold sympathy towards Americans, and it is why they have saved the American soldier. They did not want to get trapped into this particular situation, so they left their jobs and returned. Now, the American was still at Dr. Sadao's home, recovering very fast. But Hannah and Sadao both were not in talking terms with Americans because, according to Hannah, if she will talk more, sympathy would grow more for that American. And, and she wanted that an enemy should be the enemy before her. Meanwhile, the general has forgotten about this American and also forgotten to send the assassins to kill him. This was the time Dr. Sadao had to decide on his own. And one evening, when he returned to his home, before entering into his house, he entered into the American's home, asked him to come with him. He had already prepared a board with quilt, water, torch, and matchstick in it. He asked the American to go from that place, and he told him to go to the nearest island, where the next day Korean ship would pass, and he can seek help. He can take that Korean ship and return to his own country. So in this particular way, Dr. Sadao was able to save the life of the American soldier. Now, what we find is Sadao is torn between his duty as a doctor and as a Japanese. His heart told him to save the prisoner, while his mind fought to turn him over to the police. It was a difficult choice to decide whether one should allow oneself to be governed by emotion or by reason. Certainly, he is an accomplished surgeon who resolved successfully the conflict between his patriotic duty to save the life of people. Sadao proves that even if two countries are at war, the religion of humanity does not alter. Its basic tenet is saving a human life, which Dr. Sadao does with aplomb. In a way, Sadao echoes the author's Pearl S. Buck's views against war and the hatred that it generates between man and man. Through Sadao, the author conveys the message of universal brotherhood, peace, and amity. It is indeed the best solution to the problem.